Wire EDM. Comparisons, considerations, and applications. This video will give a detailed discussion on wire electrical discharge machining, or EDM. You will learn, what is wire EDM and how does it work? Considerations in wire EDM. Parts of a wire EDM machine and EDM wire selection. Wire EDM process. Differences between wire EDM and conventional EDM. Top wire EDM machine manufacturers. Applications, advantages, and disadvantages of wire EDM, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding wire EDM and its mechanism. Defining wire EDM. The functioning of wire EDM. Chapter 2. What are the considerations in wire EDM? Types and sizes of EDM wire. Part geometry. Surface finish and tolerance requirements. Material thickness and conductivity. Time factor. Programming. Additional considerations: cost, quality, and vendor selection. Chapter 3. What are the parts of a wire EDM machine and how do you select EDM wire? Parts of a wire EDM machine. Electrodes. System for running wire. Wire. Working table. CNC control. Dielectric fluid. Power supply. Recycling system. EDM wire selection. Common types of EDM wires. Brass wires. Zinc-coated wires. Copper wires. Wires with diffusion annealing. Molybdenum wires. Steel core wires. Tungsten wires. EDM wire properties. Wire tensile strength. Failure to fracture. Conductivity. Temperature of vaporization. Hardness. How to choose the right EDM wire for your application. Selecting the most appropriate EDM wire is critical for achieving optimal cutting quality, cost efficiency, and process reliability. Considerations include material compatibility, desired tolerance and surface finish, cutting speed requirements, geometric complexity, machine compatibility, cost considerations, frequently asked questions. What materials can be machined using Wire EDM? How does wire selection impact cutting quality and production costs? What are the key considerations when designing parts for Wire EDM? Which wire types are commonly used in industrial EDM and why? What makes Wire EDM ideal for precision manufacturing applications? How does Wire EDM benefit manufacturers seeking US-based suppliers? Chapter 4. What are the key differences between Wire EDM and conventional EDM, and how does the Wire EDM process work? Steps in wire electrical discharge machining. Working with threaded holes. clamping, and workpiece correction. Electrode wire positioning. Programming. Machining. Removing pieces. Differences between wire EDM and conventional EDM. Quickness of machining. Accuracy. Electrode. Variety of applications. Chapter 5. What are the top wire EDM machine manufacturer? Mitsubishi Electric. Makino. Sodic. GF Machining Solutions. Fanuc. Chapter 6. What are the key applications, advantages, and disadvantages of using wire EDM technology? Applications of wire EDM. Typical uses for wire EDM include auto accessories, dental and medical equipment, aircraft parts, machining of molds, other applications include advantages of wire EDM. Disadvantages of wire EDM. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right wire EDM manufacturers for your needs.